Quantum mechanics is a fascinating field of study that deals with the behavior of particles at the atomic and subatomic level. One of the most interesting and mysterious concepts in this field is the idea of superposition. Superposition is a term used to describe the behavior of particles that exist in multiple places in space simultaneously. This means that a particle can exist in different positions or states at the same time, until it is observed or measured. To understand this better, let's consider the classic example of Schrödinger's cat. In this thought experiment, a cat is placed in a box with a vial of poison that will be released when a radioactive atom decays. The decay of the atom is governed by quantum mechanics and is therefore unpredictable. According to quantum mechanics, the atom exists in a state of superposition, meaning it is both decayed and not decayed at the same time. This means that until the box is opened and the state of the atom is observed, the cat exists in a state of superposition as well. It is both alive and dead simultaneously. It's a bizarre concept to wrap your head around, but it's the reality of how quantum mechanics works. Another example of superposition is the double-slit experiment, which involves firing particles through two slits and observing the resulting interference pattern on a screen behind the slits. The particles behave like waves, interfering with themselves and producing a pattern of light and dark bands on the screen. However, when a detector is placed at one of the slits to observe which slit the particles go through, the interference pattern disappears, and the particles behave like individual particles. The superposition of particles is not just a theoretical concept, it has practical applications as well. For example, in quantum computing, the bits of data are not just zeros or ones, but rather they exist in a state of superposition of both 0 and 1, allowing for faster and more complex calculations. In conclusion, superposition is a fascinating concept in quantum mechanics that allows particles to exist in multiple states simultaneously. While it may seem strange and counterintuitive, it is the foundation of many of the modern technologies we use today.